Okay, we're here at Milltek finalising the Pettit Racing Milltek RX8 exhaust system, which is flowing all the way from the OEM exhaust manifold to a Milltek high flow resonated cat. It's a straight through system with no flange, it's a slip. Comes back to a twin box with some beautiful tips. Now it's a full 3-inch system, and I'm here with Kevin, one of the engineers at Milltek, who can point out some of the engineering bonuses that the system will bring.
Straight away, starting with the high flow catalyst, so 127 diameter, 200 cell cat. Slip joint directly behind that, so you can actually have the catalyst on the car or a catalyst replacement, followed by a resonated centre section, which uses a high temperature filling in there. The slip joint is quite an easy option on there. It's quite good for cost. The cat and the resonated section, this saves 5 kilo over the standard cats as well.
And if you want to go decat, it's just a question of just slipping this bit off,
yes,
and then putting a little mid pipe in.
Bolts and pull that out.
Right.
That can be done with the whole system in place on the car. That flows down straight into the centre section. No restriction there. The OE uses 60mm diameter on the back. We utilise a 3-inch all the way through.
Yeah, so other systems, if you're staying with the OEM flange system, even if it's a 3-inch system, you're still getting a blockage.
That's right, yeah. This kind of joint as well allows for a little bit more adjustment in length, rotation issues as well. This flows onto a flange joint there, which splits into 2.5-inch diameter pipework.
Yep.
Which flows more capacity than a single 3-inch, so you're not restricting the rears. That flows straight out through another slip joint, which gives good adjustment on the tips. You can adjust the centres, the height on the tips.
Yep. And I can see you've got the air gap at the back.
Yep. This design acts kind of like a thermos flask. It keeps the outer skin of the trim cool. All the heat retains on the inside, and it's a little bit tiny to balances.
Yeah, melting plastic isn't the look we want. Here you can see the balances are off, so we get access to see all the pipe work. And what weight saving do we get on the rear section?
The catback system is 2 kilos lighter than the OE. Back pressure figures go from 320 millibars to 220 millibars. The full system, that goes from 320 millibars down to 120.
Right, so 2/3.
Naturally aspirated RX8. Obviously, the Pettit Racing supercharger on this is going to create bigger gains again.
Right.
That figure could double.
Wow. So you're looking at 7 kilos overall weight saving,
yep,
and nearly 2/3 plus reduction if you're forced induction with a Pettit supercharger, right? Okay, and it looks great as well.
Yeah, it certainly does.
Thanks, Kevin.